Experience powerful blending and chopping in the palm of your hand with the KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender. Puree, crush, chop, and whisk using the simple one-touch control. The splash guard increases airflow and helps prevent splashing, while the removable 8-inch stainless steel blending arm makes it easy to blend anywhere, even in deeper pitchers or pots. Mix and store homemade sauces or baby food purees in the 3-cup BPA-free blending jar. Cleanup is quick and easy, so you have more time to enjoy your creations. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Hand mixers are versatile kitchen tools, but they can be sometimes clumsy and awkward to use. Well, not anymore. Introducing the Breville Control Grip with its ergonomically designed handle. It has a unique grip that's similar to a gun. 3 fingers sit below the trigger and the index finger can fully extend around for greater stability and comfort. The versatility of this stick mixer makes the Control Grip a handy kitchen tool for small quick jobs. It has a stainless steel blending shaft, chopper bowl and whisk attachment to tackle any kitchen task. Use it to make velvety soups, thick mayonnaise, fluffy whipped creams or chunky pesto and salsas. The blending shaft is ideal for milkshakes, smoothies, cocktails, soups, dips and baby food. The oval-shaped base blade has 2 inner ribs that create more turbulence so that food actually folds onto the blades for more thorough blending. And that means you don't have to move it up and down to try and catch the food. And you'll also notice that there's no more suction to the bottom like other hand blenders, and it means it's a lot easier to operate. The stick mixer is long enough so you can puree food directly into a tall pot, and that means you don't have to transfer hot liquid to a blender and you'll make less mess in the kitchen. And because the stainless steel shaft has a soft base, it won't scratch a non-stick pot. The chopper bowl is not only ideal for chopping onions or fresh herbs, it's also great for meats, nuts, cheese, ice, crumbling cookies for cheesecake bases, or even breadcrumbs. To use, place the ingredients inside the bowl, and here we have some guacamole. All the ingredients should be cut into the same size, but don't go over the max line, and then place the lid on. And I like to place the chopper bowl inside the jug because you can hold the handle while chopping for more control. And it's a neater way to store it too. You only need to push the trigger a few times to chop your food evenly, so be careful not to over-process and check it as you're chopping. The whisk attachment can be used for cream, egg whites or light batters. Just click it into place, gently turn up the speed to the highest 15 and then gently raise and lower the whisk until lovely peaks are formed, but try not to hit the edges. To clean, just wipe down your trigger motor with a damp cloth, and all the parts are top shelf dishwasher safe except for the chopper blade. The Control Grip, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.